Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2018 Honda Civic Type R. This four-door, four-passenger hatchback still has fewer than 30,000 miles. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and cruise control. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 12 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.